Oh my God! Hi! How are you?
What do you have in your bag?
I'm not gonna tell you that. Never ask a person what's in their bag.
J'ai pris des affaires au cas où je dors pas chez moi ce soir, on sait jamais s'il se passe quelque chose.
Ah, pas mal, bonne idée.
C'est la Fashion Week.
Very excited. I'm so excited to be here. I know I'm gonna be blown away. I always am. It's gonna be amazing. I'm really excited.
New York to your left. Perfect. One more here. Okay, please come in. And together over here, please. Guys, one for New York to your left.
Yes. I'm so excited to see this show. I'm sure it's gonna be major, darling.
I got chills like 7 times, but that's not out of the ordinary with one of these shows.
What do you want to wear?
Well, I can't really choose because all of them are really nice. But especially the colors were so nice. And the leathers were really nice.
Really beautiful, beautiful design. I want to wear the cream coat with the cream pants and the cream shorter dresses and then all the patterns. It feels like Nicolas is creating his own evolution every time. I think he surprises with, you know, a new inspiration, new elements. Love the pants with the little jackets. Love the shoes. So much. So much. So much. So much.
I want to wear like those petal-shaped pants. I want the pinstripe pants. I want to wear it all.
I remember a bag, like a egg, it's very big and it's awesome.
The massive egg. The big egg. That thing got me. I was like, oh, I want that now. Yeah.
One please. Oh, it was beautiful. It was like I was like at a fugue dream state. I really didn't want to leave.
It's high adrenaline, it's high octane, it's high excitement, and then there's a lot of joy. I mean, the thing about Nicolas is that he brings a sense of joy to Vuitton, which is so rare.
I love the florals. I thought that was so interesting and the different color blocking that he did. But I also loved like the neon pants with the nude lace. I thought that was a beautiful number. And then of course the ending with the whites. I thought it was so interesting.
You have a fashion eye, right?
Listen, if you don't, you gotta be choosing what you're gonna wear now. We got premieres coming up.
Yeah, that's a game.
Exactly. It's the game. Choose first.